Good morning, students. I am Naveen Kumar, teacher of social science. Today, I will teach you history of class 8, chapter 2, from trade to territory. व्यापार से राज्य तक। बच्चों, इस चैप्टर में हम लोग देखेंगे कि किस तरह से अंग्रेज जो एक व्यापारी के रूप में भारत आया था और यहाँ की परिस्थितियों से फ़ायदा उठाकर किस तरह वो यहाँ का शासक बन गया। इसके लिए यहाँ इस चैप्टर में शुरू में तात्कालिक राजनीतिक परिस्थितियों को समझ लेना संक्षेप में जरूरी है। आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ द लास्ट पावरफुल मुगल रूलर औरंगजेब in 1707, disintegration of the empire was started. Governors and big landlords declared themselves independent, and many regional kingdoms were established in different parts of the territories. Delhi could no longer function as an effective center of the empire, and till the second half of 18th century, a new power as the British or English emerged in India or in Indian politics. बच्चों, अब इस चैप्टर की शुरुआत जहाँ से जिस टॉपिक से की गई है उसके बारे में अब हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। द फर्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी कम्स ईस्ट। अंडर दिस टॉपिक, first thing, the East India Company acquired a charter in 1600 from the ruler of England, Queen Elizabeth I, granting it the sole right to trade with the East. This meant that no other trading groups in England could compete with the East India Company. After getting charter, company started its journey in the ocean for the east, and looking for the land, new land from which it could buy goods at the cheaper rate and carried them to the Europe and sell them at the higher prices. Actually, company was attracted towards India, so the East India Company reached India at the west coast of India. At that time, there was the great demand of some Indian things in the European market. These things were such as fine cotton and silk cloth and spices like pepper, cloves, cardamom and others. So the East India Company came to India and established here, but before the coming of the East India Company, Portuguese were already established in the western coast in Goa. At that time, company had no fear of any competition with other mercantile trading company of England, because the East India Company had charter, but gradually this charter could not prevent other European powers to enter in Eastern market, and in the early 17th century, Dutch also came in this field, and soon after French also joined this trade. In this way, conflict started among these companies, because these European companies also began to purchase those things which were the great demands in European markets. So a tough competition developed among themselves, but anyhow